kids. Today we are going to see alphabet sounds for the letters E to H. In the last session we saw A to D. Now we are going to see E to H. What is the sound for letter E? A. It's in the pan, it's in the pan, A. Eggs in the pan, A. Crack the egg like A. Crack the egg like A. Now the sound of the letter E is A. Then what is the next letter? F. What is the next letter? F. What is the sound of the letter F? My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air comes out. It got a hole, the air came out. So, the sound of the letter F is F. Okay, what is the next letter? G. What is the sound for letter G? G. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. G, G, G. G, G, G. The sound of letter G is G. What is the next letter? H. What is the sound for letter H? The sound? I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down. So, the sound of letter H is okay. Now we will see from A to H. What is the sound for letter A? A. B. 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 C. K. 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 D. 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 E. A. F. G, 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 H. Okay, if I ask you, what is this? You should say ha, H. This is letter H. If I say like this, A. If I say like this is B. If I say like this is K. If I do like this is D. If I do like this is F. If I do like this is G. So, by this action of signs, you can understand the sound of the letter very easily. Practice it nicely and post your videos. Thank you.